Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new version of the Vmos Pro, a light version of the Vmos Pro. It's like extremely light and it's going to be working on any Android device or any Android version. So it doesn't matter the phone you're using, it doesn't matter the version you're using, it's gonna be working on it. It's going to be working on 1 GB RAM memory devices or higher. It's gonna be working on an Android device, as I just said. It is extremely light version of the Vmos Pro. Really, it's gonna be installed working perfectly. Google Play Store is gonna be working. Xposed as well is gonna be installed working perfectly. It is a modified version of the Vmos Pro. Is a light version of the Vmos Pro. It's pretty faster, pretty cool, pretty smooth. It's gonna be working on any Android device or any Android version. So let's get started. But before we get started, I wanna ask you, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give it a notification to get notified about new video, and let's get started. So as I just said, I'm going to be showing you a light version of the Vmos Pro. Is a new version of the Vmos Pro, and it is a light version. It's going to be working on any Android device or any Android version. It's gonna be working on 1 GB RAM memory devices. It's pretty faster, pretty light, pretty cool. So let's get started by making some changes on your Android device to make the Vmos Pro work faster. So we need to activate some option on your Android device. So go to setting of your Android device, scroll down to the last option, about phone or about device or system. In my case, it is system. Just the last option on your Android device, clicking on it. We need to activate developer option. To do that, to activate developer option, what you're going to do, just click on build the number around 7 times. By doing that, you will have developer option, unlock it. Build the number around 7 times. Return. If you can find the developer option on the list of your Android device, just click right over here in the corner in the cheesy icon, and they're going to type developer option, and you will have the developer option. Just click on it. It's gonna be just like this, the developer option. Scroll down, make sure to enable this option saying USB typing mode enabled. Click it OK. If it asks you, it's really going to ask you if you really want to do that. Scroll down, make sure to disable the animation skill for window animation, transition animation, disable the animation as well, animator duration, disable the animation as well. So window animation skill, animation off, transition animation off, animator duration, animation off. Force GB unit, make sure to enable this option, force GB unit. If you can't find this option, the force GB unit, you don't need to worry about it. You can skip this option, no worry. Alright, scroll down, make sure to enable this option here, right over here saying 44xMSAA. If you can't find this option as well, you can skip this option, no problem. It's gonna be working on it easily. Okay, now what you're going to do, just download the application, the Lite version of the Vmos Pro. The link will be available on the description of this video. Download the application, the Vmos Pro. I have it already downloaded. Download, install on your Android device. The application, it doesn't have a virus. It is 100% safe. The link will be available on the description of this video. As I just said, is a light version. It's gonna be working on 1 GB RAM memory device or higher. So download, install on your Android device. You don't need to worry about it. It's 100 on your device, as I just said. Alright, download, install it on your Android device, and click right over here on open to open it up. By doing that, it will show up this window. The Vmos Pro will be asking you to give you all the permission to the application. You don't need to worry about it. This application it's 100 your device, as I just said. Let's give you all the permission by clicking right over here on continue to proceed. Give you all the control to the application. Set up now. Give you all the permission, return, allow everything. You don't need to worry about it. Give you all the control to the application. It won't hold in your device. By doing that, the application will start installing the room. As you can see, Vmos Lite room is now installing. It won't take too long, just 1 minute, 2 minutes, depending on your device. Just wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the application has initialized, the Vmos Pro has initialized, has started. It's going to be just like this, pretty cool, pretty simple. First of all, we need to there's no root access on this version. We need to activate the root access. To do that, just click right over here on this icon, the setting icon. Click on it. By doing that, it shows up this window. If you want to switch the resolution of your Vmos Pro's firmware, we're going to just click right over here on Edge Resolution, and you can add here the resolution you want to apply to the room. Alright, in my case, I won't change nothing. It is perfect as it is. Okay, now to activate the root access on this version, just click right over here on root and enable root by clicking right over here in this icon. By doing that, you will enable the root access, and it will ask you to restart the Vmos Pro. Just click on restart now to restart the Vmos Pro, and the root access is gonna be applied on it. Alright. Okay, after restarting the Vmos Pro, now let's check it out if the root access is now available. As you can see, root access is now available on the Vmos Pro. Root Xposed install as well. It's gonna be working perfectly. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Everything is working perfectly. It's gonna be working on 1 GB devices. 1 GB of RAM memory device. It's gonna be working perfectly, easy and simple. If you want to install some application on this system, on this room, just click right over here on this application files transfer, and then you're going to be able to download to install some application on this system. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Okay, so the link will be available on the description of this video, where you have to just download the application, install it on your Android device, give you all the permission to the application, and you will have the Vmos Pro, the Lite version, working perfectly, working faster on your Android device. Okay guys, I wish I hope this video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Activate the notification to get notified about new video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.